In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to list Amazon products in Linktree. By the end, you'll have a clean, clickable product card on your Linktree that points people straight to the Amazon page you want to share. First, open your Linktree admin and head to the Links section. This is where you manage everything your audience sees on your profile. If you're not already there, look for the Links tab in the left sidebar and make sure you're on the main Links dashboard. Next, add a new item. Click the Links option on the left, then hit Add. You'll see different link types, but for this workflow, choose the standard link. It's the most flexible starting point and lets Linktree recognize what you're pasting. Now grab the Amazon URL you want to share. Open the product page on Amazon, copy the full link from your browser, and come back to Linktree. In the field that says Paste or Search a link, paste that URL. Pro tip, if you participate in the Amazon Associates program, paste your affiliate version of the product link so clicks are tracked correctly. After you paste, give it a second. Linktree will try to detect the destination and fetch details. When Linktree recognizes the URL, you'll see an option labeled Amazon Product. Click that. This converts your basic link into a richer Amazon product card. It can pull in the product title and imagery so the link stands out more than a plain button. If you have multiple Amazon links, repeat the same process for each product you want to feature. With the link created, you can refine how it appears. Use the layout controls to match your profile's style. Adjust the display, move the link up or down to prioritize it, and make sure it aligns with your theme. Small tweaks here can make a big difference in click-throughs, so choose a look that's clear and consistent with the rest of your links. Finally, add a thumbnail to make the product instantly recognizable. Upload a clean, square image of the item, ideally high resolution but optimized so it loads quickly. Avoid cluttered backgrounds, keep the product centered, and make sure the image is something you have the right to use. A crisp, accurate thumbnail builds trust and helps users tap with confidence. That's it. You've opened Linktree, added a new link, pasted your Amazon URL, converted it to an Amazon product card, fine-tuned the layout, and attached a strong thumbnail. Linktree typically saves changes automatically, so within moments you should see your updated product link live on your profile, ready for visitors to click.